Day 2. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So it's day 2, and I'm telling you how last night did go, because I did close off day 1 when I was going to my bed. I didn't know if you could hear me properly because rain did fall. Not too much, but guys, it's not bad. I'm not gonna lie. When I went to Blue Mountain, I did cold until me uncomfortable. But this time, I mean, I was a bit chilly. Well, pretty cold, but I did have the comforter. I was sleeping on the sponge. Plus, it did have on another blanket on it, so it never bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, it was like 8. The only thing we did need was a pillow, but guess what? We did use the jacket them to make a pillow, so that's how that. Ibi woke up and catch the sunset. But did I sleep? Guys, like I say, if I can catch the sunset for tomorrow, I promise. Because I did really want to catch it. We can just imagine. Ibi, is it pretty?
Guys, yeah, I was in there. All I heard was.
Aw, you come back. You're back. One thing, I wish I never saw Frownsy, because they're very friendly. So I didn't shower last night because one, I was super cold. Like, whether they're outside, when they're not, like, in the tent, it's chilly, but you kind of feel the cold. But when they're outside, it's cold. And not only that, the water cold. So yeah, so I go brush my teeth and then start with it. When I wake up this morning, it be a fly the drone. And I come up, I see my name like a jacket. I say,
Oh God, no.
it be grandma make him jacket for him. I said, I want my grandma make one jacket for me too. No, but it's cute though, your jacket cute.
I got this from Mexico, man.
And your grandmother make you overseas too.
It is not way to freeze, I just. God.
Wait, if we have to wait until the sun come out for dry them here, though. The coal and the stuff them. And we got a little table. Super good. And our table, but I use it for the time. Me want some tea.
Welcome back to Stuck in an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. He is a little bit upset with me because I caught the sunset. The early bird catches the worm.
You hungry? Yes? Okay. Oh, I want something to feed. Can't get on the ground. You're going to eat all of the dirt.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so
are gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna make the fire. Wanna pray for me, please? Because although I know I'm supposed to can't make fire, but guess what? It look a little bit cold, but it will say that's not a problem. So I'm gonna do that right now.
What's funny, I think when you're cooking for people, you have to know the stuff that they like to make it even better. And you know, here like onion. Kind of things I can make.
Alright. You just need one? Just one? Woo! Can't survive, you know. Tell her the trick. It's when they are country and I like the fire, you just put the little tin coal them on the top. The little crumbs them.
I could buy one of the bell or something. You actually have one bell or something, is it so? Quick.
Nice.
Oh. I want
Whoa.
you to tell us what you think, you know? It is.
It's so good. It's good, may I tell you. I'm not lie, if I make him feel good, it's really good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 9.5.
Wow. Mad. That's the rum cream.
You wonder what the next 5.5?
What, that's too long?
Huh?
Take too long?
No.
Oh.
I don't really love sweet stuff, to be real honest.
It has
It's
some
not
sweetness to
sweet, but the whipped cream on the top. Not really my favorite, but it's so good. The rum cream and the coffee.
Vibes.
Superb. It's so beautiful. Looks so good.
Oh, a lot of work and cooking this morning.
That's what I've been thinking.
Thank you, Libby. Oh, it looks so good. Showing with the view. Alright guys, so I'm gonna eat right now because it's like after 10, but I can't wait for taste this because I love callaloo. Alright guys, so just eat breakfast. I'm gonna relax. I know I'm telling you say we're gonna just use what we have, but we did have to make him buy a bath pan. Let me see my treat. 1,200. Did have to buy it because the water now run from the pipe. Well, them I sort it out now. But I don't know if you can see way over there, so when I see one vehicle, oh, right there. Now I try to sort out the water for the feed come through the pipe. But if not, means that, let me tell you, it's not hard for me fitting. I'm not stushy. Let me just get that out the way. Me make life work. So if it not work, I just gotta put the water in the bath pan and bathe. Me just never did I go use nobody bath pan, so did have to make him buy that. And since it's just me, Ibi and Jason, we're good. We're family. We share bath pan. I'm not run bath pan joke, to be real honest. Not even if I go bathe in it, but to washing it, I'm not run them joke there. I'm not just use random bath pan, to be real honest. Because some people wash them foot in a bath pan, wash a mat in a bath pan and them something there. I'm not run them joke there. I will never use bleach. The struggles them are going kiki now because from me come up here, I'm not using the bathroom 1. I did number 1, but no number 2. TMI. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. So soon I'm gonna wanna do that. So I want the bathroom, the water for up and running. Unless alright, so I never tried that one here before, so make it cool and then I tell you how it tastes. But the passion fruit is my favorite. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna bed. I don't really want to run the shower, so I'm just wash out the bath and put some water in there. Not even enough, but I mean I just fresh up myself. So I carry my stuff them in here and I have my towel and everything, so she think I'm okay. Other than this one lizard over my head. I don't know if I see him. Right, see me? But I don't pay him no mind because Jesus said I not trouble them. Them not trouble me. So I gotta just wash off real quick. I don't know, long bathing, I just fresh up because I expire. Guys, one lizard not stop watch me. I can't even be good because I have to watch the lizard. But other than that, guys, I'm not lie. I learn to appreciate water some more. I have to sit the shower and can't run it. I'm afraid because if you need for bed, Chase need for bed. And then guess what? Me lad out myself now, you know. It look like a rain water. Wanna know about soap and rain water? Please to comment below. Alright, so you just go watch me. Alright, no problem. Don't tell your friend them. Okay? But don't talk. Ah, don't look. Them throw it all out in the big one.
That's crazy.
So Jason, start up the fire so I can make dinner. Oh, babe.
Oh, Jesus.
This reminds me of when we did a moko. Yo. Alright, babe, blaze it up.
I want to go, you see it?
From your
Man,
side.
thick.
So put some little coat on it.
No, man, you don't tell me how to run my show.
I know I'm gonna say that. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make dinner now. Just to catch the fire for me already, which is good. I'm prepping some other stuff, like you know the seasoning. And now I'm gonna have a lot because in the bush and what we use our house. Season the chicken from home and we have a cooler up here, so don't worry guys, still nice and cold. But did I got the rice with it guys, but we ate rice yesterday for dinner. So I'm gonna do some plantain, green and ripe. So yeah, I could go in it. You know, chef eat. And then I'm in my kitchen today, you know. And then I'm a bush kitchen. And guys, even though it look like it's hard, it's a bit easy. Why? You know, when you're in your kitchen, you have to try to spill. You have to try to, you know, to make a mess. When we finish wash up, I just throw it out once it's water. Alright, I use a big knife. That's a good. I don't know I'm good with the big knife already, you know. And it's so sharp. Maybe I forgot to teach me how to use the big knife, you know. You become show me how to use the big knife. Man, we say do like this.
Tuck your fingers in.
Tuck them in like this
No, those.
or this.
You see here?
Oh,
That's-
these.
Yeah, so you
Like
kind
this?
of pinch it, yeah.
Oh, pinch it like this.
So you're using here. You see this part of your hand? So this part of your hand is a guide.
Okay.
Yeah.
This.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Don't hold on.
Makes a lot of sense.
Let me show you.
Okay, come. Maybe I go show off for the guys.
So you just use your hand as the guide to it. So if you do this, you don't want to do this because if you miss, you cut
Okay.
them. So you tuck like this and you use like them fingers.
Oh wow.
So you want to use this so nothing can chop off, no finger can chop.
Alright.
You're not perfect that way.
Oh,
but
I'm-
let your finger go.
I have a nails. Alright guys, so next time. Guys, it's time to add the curry. Burn the curry. Guys, if you see me I talk so, because me I talk for Ibi camera. It's okay. When I know how I cook curry
So
chicken.
jump over and soy vlogs.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna burn the curry now. Normally, before I burn the curry, I use some minced garlic and a little bit of thyme just to give it some flavor. Some people don't burn them curry, but I burn my curry. Alright. And because it's outdoor cooking, you're gonna see some little leaves, but it's okay.
Extra carbs
Right?
and nutrients.
Alright, so I'm gonna put some curry. I'm not gonna use the entire thing because it's a lot. But you want to ensure say it have enough. So let it stay and burn. Whoa, my knee. Yeah. Struggles. So guys, the fire low. And Jason just put some coal in it, so I want to see if I can make it come up back. Does that work? Okay, great. Yeah.
That's a smart move. You have to move on the grill.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do now is to cover it and let it spring its own water. Yeah, I'm not gonna add any water yet.
That's how Chef Bobby Ram does it.
Yeah, but I have no pot cover. I'm gonna make one. Probably forgot to tip a little in there because it's gonna dry out. It not have a proper seal to make it steam. Alright, so now I can cover it because we're not gonna dry out too much. So if it not seal, it not gonna spring the water. It I could probably just fry. That's not what I want.
I think I'm losing my mind.
Follow me, you know. So guys, if I did find this earlier, then I probably would have to put no water in there. But normally when you don't have like a pot cover for the pot where you use, or something where you go trap in the heat to make it spring its own water, you have to add a little water because it's not going to produce no water. It's going to basically fry. That's not what I want. I want it to cook in its own juice. So I make a pot cover right now. So I double it up. Hopefully this can work. Oh crap, it's too little. Alright, what I'm gonna do is to seal it. Cause the place windy. How may I do? I do good? Me can live out here. Yeah. So soon come back. Alright guys, so night I come down. Still up on fire. So I'm gonna add in my season them now. Vegetables. Oops. Alright guys, so it's night time. We made dinner and it tastes so good, but it's night time. It's very cold outside, so I'm gonna end off my day 2. Oh, what that? I don't know, my ear wants something. But yeah guys, I'm gonna end off my day 2. Right now, Ibi and I'm Kara edit. Jason came out to drink some water and we're going back inside because guys, I want to see the sunrise tomorrow. Ibi woke up before me this morning and he not even wake me for make me come show the sunrise. And I never saw the sunset this evening, so I guess the sun not set from this angle. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. I'm a promise I'm gonna wake up tomorrow for showing them the sunrise for day 3 of camp life. Bye guys.